Hi everyone, I'm back. This is Dr. Priya Singh. I'm a cosmetic dentist. I have a clinic named Impressions Dental Care, which is in Mumbai, for the past 10 years. Today's topic is very interesting. It's about anger management in dentistry. Yes, anger management because it is very common for the dentist to get angry, for the patient to get angry, and we have to manage it because ultimately we can't afford to lose the patient also, and we want that our clinic runs smoothly. Now, why does a dentist get angry? Either he is angry on the patient for not understanding his treatment or the treatment plan, and either he is angry on the assistant or he is angry on the lab guy. But as a dentist, one thing that I keep reminding myself is the level of knowledge that I have towards my subject or my specialty. I just can't expect others to have the same. अगर वो इतने इंटेलिजेंट होते टुवर्ड्स डेंटिस्ट्री तो वो डॉक्टर होते और ना कि मैं. सो आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर लिमिटेशंस एंड टाइम एंड अगेन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उनको वो बात उतनी समझ में नहीं आएगी जितना मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ. सो आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट, टेक अ सिप ऑफ वाटर and get back to work. Now, talking about if the patient gets angry on you. Patient gets angry on you for two reasons. One, either he is in pain. Two, because he did not understand your treatment plan or the charges that was quoted to him. Now, for the pain management, जैसे मैं अपने पहले वीडियोस में भी बोल चुकी हूँ, never tell a patient that your case is very easy, आपको कुछ भी नहीं होगा. I always make it important to tell the patients that post this treatment you might expect pain, post scaling you might expect sensitivity, थोड़ी सूजन नॉर्मल है. अगर मैं ये चीजें पहले से बता देती हूँ तो in case the patient doesn't have any pain, nothing will go wrong. But if I say nothing will happen and the patient has discomfort, immediately the patient might get upset on you. So make sure that you give proper instructions, take proper medical history, prescribe nicely. Whenever possible, give a hard copy of printed instructions, post extraction, post implants, post orthodontic treatment. It is very important that they know what are the precautions they have to take. अगर वो possible नहीं है तो आप मोबाइल पे, व्हाट्सएप पे, मेल पे, anywhere, please send them post operative instructions. At least from your side, you have to be safe that you did your best. Now talking about the treatment charges. अब जब मैं पेशेंट को पहले दिन एक ट्रीटमेंट प्लान देती हूँ और एक कोटेशन देती हूँ ऑफ द अमाउंट दैट ही सपोज टू पे, आई ऑलवेज टेक हिज सिग्नेचर. See guys, in today's world everything is digital. I understand that, but certain things it is necessary that you have a hard copy, and I abide by that very very religiously. Whenever I tell the patient, even if it is a root canal and X amount was quoted, I always take the signature of the patient. जो भी बड़े बड़े माइलस्टोन्स है मेरे ट्रीटमेंट में, जैसे मैं जब शेड लेती हूँ, आई शो द पेशेंट ही इज हैप्पी. If I tell him a certain quality of cap and he agrees on that, I take his signature that so and so treatment was suggested and he agreed to it. Now it is very high chances that the patient doesn't understand and next time he says, no doctor, I was promised zircon and you're giving me ceramic. So if you have a signature of that patient, things go far smoothly and there is no confusion regarding that. ऑल्सो ट्रीटमेंट के बाद आप या ट्रीटमेंट के पहले आप कंसेंट लीजिए एंड ट्रीटमेंट के बाद भी आप सिग्नेचर लीजिए कि टुडे दिस ट्रीटमेंट वाज डन एंड यू पेड दिस अमाउंट एंड दिस मच इज योर बैलेंस. सो एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू मेंटेन दैट, there is no confusion regarding that. On a higher security level, if you have CCTV in your clinic, then it's absolutely worth it, because tomorrow if some mishap happens or whatever, at least you have a proof of that. Now, one golden rule which I want everybody to follow: never ever listen to the patient regarding the treatment. Sometimes we do that to please a patient. अगर patient कहता है कि डॉक्टर कोई बात नहीं, मुझे डायबिटीज है, प्लीज रिमूव माई टीथ, आई एम इन लॉट ऑफ पेन, एंड अगर हीलिंग नहीं होगी मैं आपको कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, या हीलिंग तो होगी ही. एंड समटाइम्स वी डू लिसन टू द पेशेंट दैट इट्स ओके, ही अंडरस्टैंड्स. या सिमिलर सिचुएशन में डॉक्टर फिलिंग कर दो, रूट कैनाल मत करो, जब पेन होगा तो मैं आऊंगा. सो व्हेन वी लिसन टू द पेशेंट एंड ट्राई टू मेक देम हैप्पी एंड डू ट्रीटमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पेशेंट, इट ऑलवेज बैकफायर्स. अगर पेशेंट बाद में नहीं आए तो इट्स वेरी हाई चांसेस दैट उनके रिलेटिव या उनकी फैमिली आके आपको बोले कि डॉक्टर आप डॉक्टर थे और आपको समझ में आना चाहिए था. एंड व्हेन दे से दैट, देयर इज नथिंग दैट एब्सोल्युटली यू कैन डू अबाउट इट. सो प्लीज फॉलो दिस गोल्डन रूल. always do what you think is the right thing and not get influenced by the patient. And one final very important thing is, irrespective of all this, irrespective of your precautions, if the patient is disrespectful towards you or is insulting you in any form, please do not entertain that. Gently deny the treatment, gently say that I wouldn't be able to do your treatment. Please do that because it's just not worth it. Stay tuned for more dental tips and dental videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.